In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize documents in CostMiner. CostMiner is a powerful tool that offers construction professionals a streamlined way to manage their estimating and takeoff processes. It's an intuitive platform that enhances efficiency and accuracy, but like any tool, the better you understand it, the more you can leverage its full potential. To get started, you'll want to access the CostMiner platform. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the CostMiner website. Once you're there, locate the Login button and click on it. You'll need to enter your credentials to access the software's full suite of features. Take your time to log in accurately. These are crucial to ensuring the security and integrity of your projects. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the top navigation menu and locate the Jobs section. This is your main hub for managing all your projects. Clicking on Jobs will present you with a list of all the projects you've added to the platform. It's neatly organized and gives you a snapshot of ongoing work, keeping you informed and up to date. Now, once you're in the Jobs section, you'll see several tabs categorized by project status. Start with the Planned tab if you're interested in viewing projects that are on the horizon, those that are yet to kick off execution. It's always a good idea to have a clear vision of what lies ahead, and this tab serves just that purpose. Next, make your way to the In Progress tab if you want to focus on tasks that are currently underway. This is particularly helpful for tracking real-time progress, so you can ensure that everything is moving along according to plan. Monitoring ongoing projects carefully ensures alignment with timelines and budgets. Once the work on a project has been completed, it'll move to the Completed tab. This is where you'll find a record of all finished projects for your review and archival. It's a good place to reflect and learn from completed tasks, making for smoother experiences in future undertakings. If you're looking to start something new, the New button is your next stop. Clicking on this allows you to add a new project to your roster. Give it a name, provide any necessary details, and watch as it integrates seamlessly into your jobs dashboard. Finally, take advantage of the Options button, identifiable by 3 small lines, to delve deeper into your projects. This provides various management options like cloning, deleting, or viewing detailed project insights. It's an excellent feature that lets you handle specifics with precision, paving the way for efficient and organized document management. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering document organization in CostMiner, enhancing both your productivity and project management skills significantly.